Obtaining your facility's RCFE license is the most important step in opening or expanding your assisted living community. But the application process can be very overwhelming. Our RCFE License Application Service takes the stress off your shoulders by preparing your complete license application package for you. We gather and organize all required forms, attachments, facility information, staffing plans, floor plans, your policies and supporting documentation, and we customize it specific to your community. Instead of spending weeks deciphering requirements, filling out forms, and worrying about missing something critical, you'll get a professionally prepared application that's ready to submit to the Department of Social Services. This will also save you time because the longer the licensing process takes, the longer you have an unoccupied facility. We've helped hundreds of providers navigate licensing, reducing delays, eliminating guesswork, and giving you peace of mind that your application is accurate and thorough. Let us handle the details so you can focus on building great care. Order your RCFE license application today and take the next step toward opening or growing your community.